Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 13 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 6 Triangles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you one very important theorem. Try to understand. Area of similar triangles. Theorem number 6. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, now first you draw figure. Now this is a triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. Both are similar given. Okay, now given triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ square is equal to BC upon QR square is equal to AC upon PR square. Okay, construction. Draw seg AM perpendicular to side BC and seg PN perpendicular to side QR. Okay, proof. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR given and therefore angle B is equal to angle Q, corresponding angles of similar triangle. Statement number 1. Similarly, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Statement number 2. Now, in triangle AMB and triangle PNQ, means in this triangle AMB and PNQ, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle AMB is equal to angle PNQ. Both are 90 degree and therefore these two triangles are similar. Okay. Now, in triangle AMB and triangle PNQ, angle B is equal to angle Q from 1. Angle AMB is equal to angle PNQ is equal to 90 degree. Construction. And therefore triangle AMB similar triangle PNQ a test of similarity and therefore AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PN, corresponding sides of similar triangle, and therefore BC upon QR is equal to QM upon PN from 2 and 3. And now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height, that is 1 upon 2 into BC into AM upon 1 upon 2 into QR upon PN. So 1 upon 2 get cancelled and BC, therefore BC upon QR is equal to AM upon PN and is equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR because AM upon PN is equal to BC upon QR, and therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC square upon QP square or BC upon QP square. Okay, similarly we can prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ square is equal to AC upon PR square, and hence area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ square is equal to BC upon QR square is equal to AC upon PR square. Okay. Now I will explain you some example based on this theorem. Okay, exercise 6.4. Question number 1. Triangle ABC, similar triangle DEF, area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 cm square and area of triangle DEF is equal to 121 cm square if EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter. Find BC. Solution. Triangle ABC similar triangle DEF given and therefore ARABC upon ARDEF is equal to BC upon EF square is equal to 64 upon 121 and therefore BC square upon 15 for EF it is given 15.4. 15.4 square is equal to 64 upon 21 and therefore BC square is equal to 64 upon 21 into 15.5 15.4 into 15.4. If you simplify this is divisible by 11. So BC square is equal to 64 upon 121 into 154 upon 10 into 154 upon 10. So this is divisible by 11. So simplify this. So is equal to 64 means 8 into 8 into 14 into 14 upon 10 into 10 and therefore BC is equal to 8 into 14 upon 10 is equal to 112 upon 10 is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Okay, and hence BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Question number 2. Now quadrilateral ABCD is trapezium given in which AB is parallel to DC, diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect each other at point O and AB is equal to 2CD given. So this AB is equal to 2CD given and they find ARAOB upon ARCOD. Okay. Now solution. Quadrilateral ABCD is trapezium AB parallel DC given and let AC be transversal and therefore angle BAC is equal to angle DCA alternate angles. Angle BAO is equal to angle DCO A-O-C'. Now in triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle BAO is equal to angle DCO from 1. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angles, and therefore these two triangles are similar and therefore triangle AOB similar triangle COD, a test of similarity. Now these two triangles are similar, therefore ratio of their areas is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides and therefore ARAOB upon ARCOD is equal to AB square upon CD square, but AB is equal to 2CD given and therefore area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equal to 2CD square upon CD square. So CD square get cancelled and this is equal to 4. So 4 CD square upon CD square get cancelled and is equal to 4 upon 1 and hence ARAOB is to ARCOD is equal to 4:1. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.